Good morning, all. Today we are going to start our next chapter, The Sound of Music. In this chapter, two parts are being there. The first part we are going to take Evelyn Glennie Listened to Sound Without Hearing It by Deborah Collin. The short summary I am going to present. Evelyn Glennie is a multi-percussionist. Percussionist means a musician who plays instruments. She can play about 1000 instruments with perfection. She listens to sound without hearing it. She fought against a physical disability and became a source of inspiration for thousands of disabled persons. She was profoundly deaf. She was 11 years old when it was discovered that she had the hearing disability. She wanted to pursue her career in music, but her teachers discouraged her. It was Ron Forbes who recognized her potential and supported her in achieving her goal. He advised her not to listen through her ears but try to sense it some other way. Soon she was excited. She felt the vibration of the higher drum from the waist up and the lower drum from the waist down. Later, she realized that she could feel the vibrations in every part of her body. These tingled in her skin, her cheekbones, and even in her hair. She had learned to open her body and mind to the sounds and vibrations. After that, she never looked back. She joined the prestigious Royal Academy of Music and scored one of the highest marks in the history of the Academy. He worked hard with strong determination. She got right to the top. In 1991, she was presented with the Royal Philharmonic Society's prestigious Soloist of the Year award. Apart from the regular concert, Evelyn gives free concerts in prison and hospitals. She is shining inspiration for deaf children. She has accomplished more than most people twice her age have. She has earned name in orchestra. She has inspired those who are handicapped and made them believe that if Evelyn could do that, why not they? So this is the short summary about Evelyn Glennie. Now next move according to the line of the chapters. Rush hour crowds pushed for place on the underground train platform. A little girl of about 17 was nervous for the coming train. It was her first day at the famous Royal Academy of Music in London. She was deaf, so she was facing a bigger challenge in life. Evelyn, deafness detected. Evelyn Glennie was from Scotland. She lost her hearing gradually. Her mother saw it when Evelyn was 8 years old. Evelyn hid this growing weakness from her friends and teachers. By 11, her marked lessened. The headmistress told her mother to take her to a specialist. It was known that her hearing loss was due to gradual nerve damage. She was advised to wear a hearing aid. But Evelyn was determined to lead a normal life. She wanted to pursue her interest in music. One day, she saw a girl playing xylophone. She too decided to play it. Ron Forbes recognized Evelyn's talent in it. He told her to listen it not through ears but sense it some other way. Evelyn said that suddenly she could feel the higher and lower drums differently. She could also sense certain notes in different parts of her body. She could open her hair and body to different sounds. She never looked back. She told the United Kingdom with a youth orchestra. She had decided to make music her life. She auditioned for the Royal Academy of Music in London by playing the xylophone. There, she scored the highest in its history. She moved from orchestral work to solo performances. After her 3 years course, she had got most of the top awards. Now, Evelyn Wood's most wanted multi-percussionist. Here, as I told you, percussionist means a musician who plays instruments. She is not proud of her achievements. She says that if one knows one's goal, one can get it. She is now at the top. She is the world's most wanted multi-percussionist. She has mastery over 1,000 instruments. Without hearing, she functions with ease. She speaks fluently with a Scottish lilt, and she learned French and mastered basic Japanese. She says that music pours in through every part of her body. At times, she plays the xylophone. She can sense the sound passing in her fingertips. She feels the sound of the drums when she leans on them. She moves her shoes on a wooden platform. She does so to feel the vibrations in her body. How God has blessed Evelyn. In 1991, she was awarded the Soloist of the Year award. It is the most famous award of the Royal Philharmonic Society. Master percussionist James Blade says that God may have taken her hearing, but he has given her something extraordinary. Evelyn says that she is a workaholic. She has to work more harder than classical musicians. She gives regular concerts. She also gives free concerts in schools and hospitals. She gives priority to young musicians. Anne Richlin of the Beethoven Fund for Deaf Children says that Evelyn is a shining inspiration for deaf children. Evelyn's source of pleasure also. Evelyn has brought percussion to the front of the orchestra. She is an inspiration to the handicapped. She has given great pleasure to millions. So, after reading the achievements of Evelyn Glennie, we learn from her that strong determination and hard work make any possible work possible. Evelyn's life is a lesson for all who are physically disabled or challenged. Despite being handicapped, Evelyn was able to attain glorious height in the field of music.